Hi, my name's Andy, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you why a folding bike like this one is the best and cheapest mode of transport you'll ever get. So what we have here is a 20-inch wheel folding bicycle. Now, I bought this secondhand, but there's plenty of places that sell these bikes. You can even buy them online. Now, I'm going to tell you why I think this is so great. Now, a bicycle like this not only can be used to ride from place to place, it can also be folded down and carried as luggage, whether it's a car, a train, an airplane, a helicopter, a boat. They are very versatile little machines. Now, this particular bike is equipped with luggage racks, which makes it even more versatile because now I can carry a lot of gear on this bike as well as carrying it as luggage itself. The reason I like the 20-inch wheel folding bike is it's a good compromise between speed and practicality. Of course, if you had larger wheels, your bike will go faster. And if you have smaller wheels, it can be packed down smaller. But I like to think this is about the right size to be still practical to ride from place to place, not just over the distance, but over the terrain. You can ride these on blacktop, tarmac, concrete, gravel. You can ride it on grass. You can ride it on a lot of different gradients. You can ride it along the flat. You can ride it down a mountain. I've even done that. Now, something like this is also the right size to go touring on. So you can put a bag or bags on the bicycle and then go from place to place, city to city, country to country. If you want to see any more folding bike touring videos, check out this playlist. I'll put it up here. So let's have a look at what it looks like folded down. So the first thing to do is to drop the seat down. It's got a little clip that you can easily do that. Then on the frame, to fold it in half, there's a lever and a button on this one. Put the kickstand up, fold the bike in half. Now to fold it down even smaller, you can fold at the handlebars with this bike. And there's a little button that you can use. So with this one, the handlebars fold down into the middle of the frame like that, putting them neatly out of the way. Now when it's this size, it's easier to put into a car, into a train, even you can pack it down a little smaller and put it onto an airplane as your luggage allowance. And then once you get to your destination, you can easily turn it back into a bicycle again, put your bags on it if need be, if you want to travel like that, and then you're ready to hit the streets. These things are the best little modes of transport in cities. Why? You can skip a lot of public transport costs by using this. You can also carry these things on public transport as luggage. The thing that really opens up the world to you with a folding bike is being able to put it on an airplane. In my opinion, if you want to see how I go about shipping my bike on an airplane as part of my luggage allowance, economy class, then check out this video over here. If you want to see me ride down a volcano on this bike, check out this video here. And I'll see you in the next episode.